after we've discussed here the first thoughts that landscape architects and agencies might have, another question that we're asked is what type of contractor would we recommend to install the product PermaTrak? And based on our experience now, 4 years here, and the previous experience in Australia for 17 years, we can say that the most common contractors that have success installing PermaTrak are those that are familiar with drainage projects, civil site design, where they're utilizing maybe moving some dirt. Dirt contractors maybe would be a good another name for those people. Utility contractors. Anyone that's designing projects or building projects that are designed where elevation is important, the fall of a drainage structure, placing precast units in there, be they manholes or catch basins, variety of pipe types. They're going to be concerned with elevations. That's similar to our product. The contractors going to pay attention to the elevation of the foundations, and if those are installed properly, the product itself is going to fit very well. And those types of contractors mean, when they partner up with the right equipment and the right size crew, it's a very efficient installation.